Peace and welcome to the Credit Healing Masterclass. My name is Rob Muhammad and I'm the founder of Credit Healing LLC. And in this masterclass, you're going to learn exactly not just how to build credit, not just how to repair credit, but you're going to learn how to transform lives, both financially, mentally, and spiritually. Now, this is not just a get-rich-quick program or quick fix program. This is actually a system that I have designed that has helped thousands of others being able to gain financial independence as well as freedom for themselves and their families. Before you dive in, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the most out of every tool, lesson, and resource in the masterclass.
Let's take a quick tour of your masterclass dashboard. You'll see the course divided into modules, each one building upon the last. You'll also find downloadable resources, templates, and links under each lesson. There's a community tab. This is your network. Use it. Ask questions, celebrate wins, and share progress. And remember, your progress saves automatically. You can pick up right where you left off anytime. Let's head over to Chess. Now, you're not just getting education, you're getting automation. Your Chess portal is where you'll track progress, build your business credit, and access all the credit builder tools. Inside Chess, you'll find your progress dashboard, credit builder tools, and the business credit machine. Everything you need to manage your growth and your clients' growth. Now here is customer support. Since you're planning to offer services or helping others, be sure to notify your clients that access to Chess requires an active subscription. Those subscriptions include their private dashboards, tracking, and tools. It keeps everything organized, compliant, and results driven. Let's head back over to your masterclass. Each module in your masterclass is intentional, so don't rush through it. Start by watching the training video, then complete the action steps before moving on. Use your workbook to write out your credit goals, your business setup notes, and your daily action items. This isn't passive learning, it's active implementation. The more you apply, the faster you'll see transformation. If you ever feel stuck, don't stay silent. That's what the community is for. Join the weekly Q&A sessions, post questions in the forum, or reach out to our support team directly inside your portal. The more you engage, the more you'll grow. Remember, isolation slows progress, but community multiplies results. You've already taken the hardest step, saying yes to your next level. Now it's time to take action. Start with Module 1 right after this video. Complete your workbook, set your goals, and commit to finishing what you've started.
Now remember, this masterclass can change everything for you, financially, mentally, and spiritually, if you put it into practice. Start now, enjoy yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We are right here to help you. We love you all, and start trekking. Peace.